this beads. I mean, come on. If you ain't like all the other beads, any other beads I did before, you like this one, right? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ren, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this smoky green eye with the gold cut crease. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family, of course. Now the video is about to start, so let's get to it. Anyways, so I'm going to be filling in my brows, and I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow, which is like my current obsession. I'm just going to use this to outline the brows. Okay, so now I'm going to fill it in. I'm just going to be taking this Maybelline. Yeah, this one is from Maybelline. It is their Total Temptation Brow Definer, and this one is in deep brown. And I'm just going to use this to fill it in. And this has like a chunkier like tip, so it's much easier to fill in your brows using this. It looks very, like, the tip looks very similar to the Anastasia Brow Definer. And normally I would use a brush to like pat it out, but I am just going to use this Juno sponge because it really doesn't take up a lot of product at all, which is essentially why you use a brush and not a sponge, because you don't want the sponge to be soaking up all the product. But this sponge actually does the opposite of that, so yeah. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty, is it Pro Filter? Yeah, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. I'm in the color 440. And I'm using this Morphe blending sponge. And I really just love this foundation. Like, every time I wear it, like at first, like the first couple minutes when I have it on, I'm like, every single time. But then I'm gonna take a little bit more of the foundation, put it onto my concealer brush, and I'm gonna use that to outline the top part of my eyebrows. I also like to blend upwards. That way it's just easier to just blend out everything. Okay, so the face is like this looking. So the next thing I'm going to do is conceal, of course. And I'm using the I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. And this shade is Chestnut. So previously I had Mahogany. But Mahogany was not really good for highlighting because it's just way too orange. But Chestnut is like how I like a highlight. Like, if I'm highlighting, I'm highlighting. But on days where I want it to be a little more subtle, I will definitely mix the Mahogany with the Chestnut. But for this look, we're going super bright highlights. So I know my hair looks curled different. Do you think this curly hair suits me? Like, I don't know. This was actually my deep wave hair that I had in my previous video, and I just like got bored and decided that I wanted to curl it up. So it's like, you know, I don't really like curly hair, like to curl up my hair like that. I like doing like waves and stuff. I'm a wave girl. I don't really like small curls. I like big waves. Oh, by the way, if you had entered my giveaway, I did announce the winner of the giveaway, and how I chose the winner was just, as I said, the rules were just to be a subscriber and to like the video and comment that you did enter. So you didn't really have to do anything crazy. So to pick the person, I just went online and found a random app, a random program that selected comments randomly. Just to be fair, I didn't want to pick anybody. I mean, nobody's like, I don't really know anyone, so I didn't want to be biased in any way, shape, or form. So I just used the random app. Well, it's not an app, it was like online. And it basically gave me the person. So if I did send you a message, congrats. If you entered but you didn't win this one, there's no need to worry, because trust me, I love giving away stuff. Like, it gives me so much joy. So if you didn't win this one, whenever I have another one, you might be that person that's gonna get it. I know I've entered a lot of giveaways online, and I never win, and I'm just like, oh man, I wanted to win. So I definitely know the feeling. Okay, so now to set under my eye, I'm gonna take this Beauty Bakery flour powder. Needs to get a new one soon, huh? I've been meaning to order some more stuff from Beauty Bakery anyways. So when this finish and I go to order a new one, it'll give me an excuse to get something else. It's just me, or when you online and like when you buy, you say, oh, let me just buy this because, you know, I don't want to buy it later and then I have to pay like 2 shipping fees. So just let me buy it right now, you know? And you know, sometimes if you buy over a certain amount, you get free shipping. And trust me, if you're like me, you love free shipping. I don't know about nobody else, but I love me some free shipping. Like, some can be like $10 and the shipping is like $5, and I'm like, yikes. Yeah, and the same thing could be $15 somewhere else and you get free shipping. I'm just like, well, you know, free shipping, so why not? I just love me some free shipping. And I feel like companies know that, and then they try to get you with the free shipping. Like, hey, we got free shipping, come buy some stuff. I'm just like, yep, I'm coming. Okay, so to help me along, I'm going to be using some Juvia's Place palettes. And this one is the Afrique palette. Gorgeous, gorgeous, colorful palette. It's super gorgeous. And I'm using the green shade, of course. Actually, I'm going to use this brown shade right here. This one is called Cameroon. Sending Cameroon all the way up into all this space. Okay, so the next color I'm going to be taking is this deep matte green color from the Morphe 35B palette. Okay, so the green is just like on there. I haven't really blended anything out as yet. So now I'm going to blend everything out. I'm not really getting that depth and the pigmentation that I wanted. I'm going to add some of this green Niger color from the Afrique palette and see, which is super, super, super pigmented. Then I'm going for an even darker, more blackened green. Is it blackened? I don't know. Sometimes, I don't know, like, is it just me, or do other people get like their eyes like messed up? Like, this one has more shadow than this one, and it's always like that. Okay, so now I'm going into the Juvia's Magic palette, and I'm taking this green right here, which is an even deeper green, and I'm adding this green into the crease only. So when I want to go directly into my crease, I kind of raise my eyebrows up like that. so I get more precision. And because I want it to focus more into the crease, sometimes it'll get like on the lid, but that's fine because we're actually doing a cut crease. So it's nothing if it gets on the lid. I just don't want it up this way. You want it like in the crease or down onto the lids. At this point, you're probably like, oh my god, this is so much green, but this is better. So now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm using the same concealer that I use under my eyes, the Too Faced one. When you kind of look forward or even up, it kind of gives you a direction of where you should cut your crease, or how you should cut your crease. Okay, so for the gold, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm using the shade Fairy, this gold shade right here. If it's not gold enough, I'll add a little bit of bronze to it, but let's just see how Fairy looks. Okay, because this is a half cut crease and not a full cut crease, I'm just gonna add some more of the darkest green shade onto the outer part of the eye right here. And I'm just feathering the color into the cut crease like so. Now I feel like I want this eye to be a little bit more up there. I wanted to make it sparkle a little bit more, so I'm gonna get some of this gold glitter. Then I'm gonna take this NYX glitter primer, but I don't want the gold to be like a gold cut crease. I kind of want it to just be distributed over the color. So I'm just gonna add some black liner under the waterline, on the waterline right here. And now with the Niger color from the Afrique palette, I'm just gonna take some onto my lower lash line. Okay, time for mascara and lashes. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is finish up my face because the eyes are finished. So I'm gonna take some of this Too Faced translucent deep powder. And to bronze my face, I'm using this Smashed CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. Like, I can't even really show you. Like, it's literally crumbs at this point. But it's still my favorite, so still using it. And now I'm gonna add some highlighter. This is a old highlighter from ColourPop that's also smashed, and I don't even think they have it anymore, but yeah, it's one of my favorites. It's called Golden Child. Yes, yes. A little bit here. So now I'm just gonna spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. When I say like the Fenty foundation, every time I apply it, it's just like, I don't know. But when everything is set, it's just like, hallelujah. This is perfect. Everything was really cooperating today. And might I say it, this concealer under my eyes. Okay, now it's time to do the lips, and yeah, I'm doing a nude lip. Like, let's just get over it. I'm doing a nude lip. What's new? So I'm taking this lip liner Espresso from NYX. So the lips are lined, and now I'm taking this lipstick right here. This is Morphe and this is Babe, and it is a cream, and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this lip color. Like, if you're my complexion and you're looking for something like very like nude and just like gorgeous and beautiful and everything in life, try this one. It's oh nice. That's nude. That's not like pinky nude, or that's nude, like my nude. And this beads, I mean, come on. If you ain't like all the other beads, any other beads I did before, you like this one, right? No, you don't. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the subscribe button is right there and it's free, so let's do this, okay?